Alright guys, so today's video is about the Oraimo Rhyme True Wireless Earbuds, and today I'll be unboxing this Oraimo Rhyme, which has active noise cancellation feature, Rhyme of Silence. So I'll be checking out what's inside the box for you and my first impression about this guy. So let's unbox it quickly. Looking at the side of the earbuds package, you are going to see transparency for ambience awareness, 4 mic noise reduction in call, stomping bass, and low latency gaming mode, which I'm going to test in my review video. And to the other side, you are going to see the Oraimo Rhyme True Wireless Earbuds specifications, such as the model number, the Bluetooth version 5.2, range of 10 meters, charge input type C, and battery life. Is keep exploring, and on top of it is the Oraimo logo, and at the back is just the authentication center and nothing more. The price is 16,500 naira from Oraimo eShop website. As you can see here, 16,500 naira, but you can get it lesser for the price of 15,575 naira if you use the coupon code showing right on your screen right now. You are going to get it for cheaper price. All right, now let's unbox it fully. The first thing we are greeted with is the earbud itself, wrapped up in a polythene bag. Next thing you are going to find is the Oraimo manual. Okay, this is a pretty long one, and I just see something now. It has volume controls. Wow, that means you can now control the volume from the earbuds. Wow, that is nice. And the next one is the charging cable, a short Type-C charging cable. The next thing you are going to find is the extra ear tips, which is 2, the medium size and the big size. And that is all you are going to find in the box. Pretty much it. Before you use your Oraimo Rhyme, please charge it up for the first time. Make sure you charge it complete. It will take you about 30 minutes thereabouts for the first time. Wow, this is how it looks, guys. Looks nice, right? So on top of it, you are going to see the Oraimo print, okay, which you can see here, and opening it is this, guys. Nice one. So at the front, you are going to see the LED, just one LED indicator there, and at the back there is a reset button there, and underneath it you are going to see a serial number that is unique to the case. And the Type-C charging port is by the side this time around, not behind or at the front, is by the side. Inside of it, when you open the lid, you are going to see the specifications and the model number with the battery of the earbud. So let's just bring it out and charge it up and start using it. It comes with this yellow seal, so you have to remove this seal before you can start charging it up. So you are going to remove it this way. Okay, start charging it. That's just the best thing to do when you get your earbuds. Remember my watch 2 Plus, I didn't charge it completely and it didn't end well with me, so I have to charge this one before I start using it. So I'm going to come back and tell you guys my first impression about these earbuds.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright guys, so as you can see, the charge is fully charged. When it's fully charged, you are not going to see the green LED. It won't show anymore at the front. The indicator will go off, so that means it is fully charged. So let's open it and let me give you my first impression, and let me connect my Bluetooth. So you can see Rhyme here. You don't have a Google Fast Pair on these guys. Okay, as you can see, it's requesting, so let's pair it up and I'll be using them. It's now connected. You can see the Oraimo Rhyme. So let me just check it out and play some music, and I'm going to tell you my first impression. Wow, these guys are very light in the hair. That's the first thing I noticed. They're very light, just like Oraimo Riff. Wow. Oraimo did something on this one. Oh. Guys, this is one good earbuds. First impression, I noticed that they are light in the hair and they sound very good. It has bass, but it's not full like the 3+3. Just my first impression, please don't take it to heart, take it with a pinch of salt. And it is close to the Oraimo 3+ Pro. Okay, so I need to test it more to see exactly maybe it is very good or not. It's a good buy if you want to buy it right now without me giving you the review, but let me just test it for a few days, at least a day or two. Now I should be able to give you the full review. Thank you very much for watching this video, and if you are new here, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.